Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Student, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 14, chapter 14 of class 9, area of triangles and quadrilaterals. Area of triangles and quadrilaterals from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. Okay, so students, my first question is 25 number. Find the area of a parallelogram ABCD. Find the area of a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equal to 28 centimeter, BC equal to 26 centimeter, and diagonal AC equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. Here ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Students, two pairs of opposite sides are parallel in a quadrilateral, and that quadrilateral is called a parallelogram. Okay, so property of the parallelograms: first, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. AB equal to 28 centimeter, then DC equal to 28 centimeter, BC equal to 26 centimeter, and AD equal to 26 centimeter. So opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Second, opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. Okay, and the diagonals of the parallelograms are bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. And last, and the property of the parallelogram, very important property of the parallelogram, is diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles. So AC is in this figure. AC is the diagonal of this parallelogram. So AC diagonals divides parallelogram ABCD into two equal triangles. So we write कि area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay. So find the area of this parallelogram. First of all, we find the area of triangle ABC in which all sides are given. Okay. So let's start the solution. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB equal to 28 centimeter, BC equal to 26 centimeter, and diagonal AC equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, so in triangle ABC, let AB equal to A equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, AB साइड्स को हमने क्या माना? A मान लिया. And BC equal to B equal to 26 centimeter. BC साइड को हमने B माना. And AC equal to C equal to 30 centimeter. And AC को हमने क्या माना? 30 centimeter. C. So first of all, we find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C. So 1 by 2, A equal to 28 plus 26 plus 30 centimeter. So 1 by 2 multiply 84, 42 centimeter. Okay, so area of the triangle ABC. Find the area of triangle ABC. We use the Heron's formula. So area of triangle ABC equal to root under f into f minus a, f minus b and f minus c. Okay, so root under f equal to, f is the semiperimeter, here is 42, so 42 into 42 minus 28, 42 minus 26 and 42 minus 30. Okay, so root under 42 multiply 14, 42 minus 28 equal to 14, multiply 42 minus 26 equal to 16, multiply 42 minus 30 equal to 12. Okay, so this imply 42, 7 multiply 6, we write 7 multiply 6, and 40, 7 multiply 2, 14 equal to 7 multiply 2, 16, 16, 4 multiply 4 and 12, 6 multiply 2. Okay, जोड़ा के बदले एक बाहर आता है, so 2 7, here is 7 multiply 2 6, 1 6 is out and 4 and 2, 7 6 जा 42, 42 2 जा 84 and 84 multiply 4, 336 centimeter square. So area of the triangle ABC equal to 336 square centimeter. Students, we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect the parallelogram into two equal triangles. So we write the area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ADC. Okay, so we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect the parallelogram in two equal triangles. Okay, so we write the area of parallelogram, ABCD equal to 2 multiply area of triangle ABC. Okay, so 2 multiply area of triangle ABC equal to 336 centimeter square. So 672 square centimeter. So the area of the parallelogram ABCD equal to 672 square centimeter. Okay, students, our next question is 28 number. The area of a trapezium is 475 square centimeter and its height is 19 centimeter. Find the length of its two parallel sides if one side is 4 centimeter greater than the other. Okay, so student, what is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then we say that that quadrilateral is called a trapezium. We see a diagram. ABCD is a trapezium in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So side AB is parallel to side DC. Okay, and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Or if in a trapezium two non-parallel sides are equal, then we say that this trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, so The area of a trapezium is 475 square centimeter. The area of the trapezium is 475 square centimeter. And height is 19 centimeter. For the height, let CM is the perpendicular to AB. Then CM is the height of this trapezium. So height of this trapezium is 19 centimeter. And the length of its two parallel side AB and DC का length जो है, if one side is 4 centimeter greater than the other, let this side be x, so then AB is the x plus 4 centimeter. Okay, clear? So now let's start solution. Let two parallel sides of a trapezium be x and x plus 4. One side is 4 centimeter greater than the other. So let the first parallel side be x, then the other is x plus 4. Okay. Now area of a trapezium equal to 475 square centimeter. Okay. So area of the trapezium equal to 1 by 2 multiply sum of parallel sides into height, the distance between the parallel side. Okay. So we write, it means 1 by 2 multiply sum of parallel sides multiply height equal to 475 square centimeter. Okay, this implies 1 by 2 sum of parallel side, it means x and x plus 4. For x plus 4 equal to height is 19 centimeter. Okay, the distance between the two parallel sides is 19 centimeter equal to 475 square centimeter. Okay, so 1 by 2 multiply 2x plus 4 into 19 equal to 475 centimeter. 19 2 ja 38 and 19 5 ja 95. Okay, 25 and 2x plus 4 equal to, ये 2 उधर जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा, 25 मल्टीप्लाई 2 इक्वल टू 50 सेंटीमीटर. सो 2x plus 4 equal to 50. For 2x equal to 50 minus 4 equal to 46 and x equal to 46 by 2, it means 23 centimeter. The first side x is 23 centimeter and the second side x plus 4 equal to 23 plus 4 equal to 27 centimeter. Hence the parallel sides of the parallelogram be 23 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Okay, students, our next question is 29 number question. In the given figure, a triangle ABC हैज बीन गिवन, ए ट्रायंगल ABC हैज बीन गिवन, ABC दिया हुआ है, इन विच AB इक्वल टू 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो AB साइड इज 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, AC इक्वल टू 6.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो AC इक्वल टू 6.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, AC 6.5 सेंटीमीटर and BC equal to 7 centimeter and BC equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, on base BC, BC जो बेस है ट्रायंगल ABC का, BC बेस पर एक पैरेललोग्राम, ए पैरेललोग्राम DBCE, ए पैरेललोग्राम DBCE एक पैरेललोग्राम ऑफ द सेम एरिया, का. इट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम DBCE. ओके, यानी ये जो पैरेललोग्राम है आपका DBCE, इसका एरिया और ये जो ट्रायंगल है आपका ABC, दोनों का एरिया क्या है, सेम है, और दोनों का बेस भी क्या है, सेम. यानी कि सेम बेस पर ऑफ द सेम एरिया ऑन बेस BC ए पैरेललोग्राम DBCE ऑफ द सेम एरिया एज दैट ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. इट मीन्स कि एक ट्रायंगल ABC दिया हुआ है जिसमें AB साइड हमें मालूम है 7.5 सेंटीमीटर, AC 6.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड BC इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. ऑन द बेस BC ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC के BC बेस पर हमने एक पैरेललोग्राम DBCE हमने क्या किया, बनाया, और इस प्रकार बनाया कि ये जो पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया है ये एरिया ABC के क्या है, इक्वल है. ओके, ABC is constructed. Find the height DL of the parallelogram. तो find the height of DL of this parallelogram DBCE. Okay, find the height of this parallelogram DBCE. Find the height DL. यानी DL का वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करना है. Okay, so let's start solution. Students, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC में all sides are given. AB, BC and AC are given. So first of all we find the area of triangle ABC by using Heron's formula. Okay, so let's start. In triangle ABC, in which AB equal to 7.5 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter and AC equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so let कि A equal to AB equal to 7.5 centimeter, B equal to BC equal to 7 centimeter and C equal to AC equal to 6.5 centimeter. So first of all we find the semi-perimeter of this triangle. Okay, so semi-perimeter is F equal to half into A plus B plus C. 1 by 2 multiply A 7.5 plus B 7 plus 6.5 centimeter. So F equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C. 1 by 2 into 7.5, the value of A 7, B and C 6.5. So F equal to 1 by 2 multiply 7.5 and 6.5. 14 and 14 or 7, 21 equal to 21 by 2 equal to 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so the semi-perimeter of this triangle ABC equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now by using Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC equal to root under F into F minus A, F minus B and F minus C. So root under 10.5 into 10.5 minus 7.5, 10.5 minus 7 and 10.5 minus 6.5. Okay, so this imply root under 10.5 multiply 10.5 minus 7.5, so 3 multiply 10.5 minus 7, 3.5 multiply 10.5 minus 6.5, 4. Okay, so this imply removing point, the 105 multiply 3 or multiply 35 multiply 4 by 100. Okay, 10 here and 10. So 1 by 10, 100 का 1 by 10 out, and 105 तो 21, 5 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 5, and we write 21 equal to 7 multiply 3. Okay, and 7 multiply 5 multiply 4, so 1 by 10 multiply 2 7, दो के बदले एक बाहर आएगा, 2 7, 1 7 is out, 2 5 for 2 1 5 is out, and 2 5 and 2 3 for 1 3 is out, and 4 के बदले 2. Okay, तो 2 5 जा 10 and 5 5 जा 10, 7 3 जा 21 square centimeter. So area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC equal to 21 square centimeter, and the in the given questions ki area of the parallelogram DBCE equal to area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle DBCE equal to 21 square centimeter. So now according to questions ki area of parallelogram DBCE equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay, so this imply area of parallelogram DBCE equal to area of ABCD equal to 21 square centimeter. Okay, so area of the parallelogram equal to base multiply height. Okay, so base into height equal to 21 centimeter square. So base equal to 7, base is here BC, and the parallelogram DBCE base is BC, that is the 7 centimeter, 7, and height is DL, find DL, so DL equal to 21, so DL equal to 21 by 7, 7 3 is 21, 3 centimeter. Okay, okay, so 3 centimeter. Hence the height DL of the parallelogram DBCE equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, students, our next question number 30. A field is in the shape of a trapezium. एक फील्ड जो है वो ट्रापीजियम के शेप में है. जैसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रॉ ए डायग्राम. Okay, having parallel sides 90 meter and 30 meter, having parallel side 90 meter and 30 meter. These sides meet the third side. These sides meet the third side at right angles. At right angles. These sides, two parallel sides meet at the third side. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Students, a field is in the shape of a trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, having parallel side is 90 meter and 30 meter. So 90 meter is the AB and DC is the 30 meter. Okay, these sides meet the third side at right angle. ये साइड जो है वो मीट कर रहा है थर्ड साइड CE is the third side of the right angle BEC. Okay, third side at right angles. The length of the fourth side is 100 meter. The length of the fourth side is 100 meter. Fourth side is 100 meter. If it cost of rupees 5 to plouge 1 square meter, 1 square meter को प्लॉज करने में 5 रुपए खर्च होता है of the field, to find the total cost of plouging the field. So 30. So students, this is 30 meter and EB is 60 meter. Okay, so EB is 60 meter and this is the 100 meter. Okay, so area of the trapeze. Solution: ABCD is a trapeze, okay, in which AB equal to 90 centimeter and DC equal to 30 meter. 90 meter and DC equal to 30 meter. Okay, this side meets the third side of the right triangle CEB CE. Okay, and EB equal to 60 and the fourth side is 100 meter. Okay, so first of all we find the length of CE. Find the length of CE by using the Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle CEB comma angle CEB equal to 90 degree. Okay, so by using Pythagoras theorem we write कि BC square equal to CE square or plus EB square. Okay, so BC square equal to 100 का square and CE square equal to 60 square and plus EB square. Sorry, CE square or EB equal to 60 meter. So 60 का square. So this imply CE square equal to 100 square and minus 60 का square. 100 square equal to 10,000 and minus 3600. 0064 5400. So CE equal to root under 6400 equal to root under 80 multiply 80 equal to 80 meter. So the length of CE equal to 80 meter. Okay, and find the area of the field. So area of the field, for this area ABCD is the form of trapezium. So area of the trapezium equal to, now area of the trapezium ABCD equal to 1 by 2 multiply sum of parallel sides into height. So 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides 90 meter and 30 meter. 90 meter plus 30 meter and height is 80 meter. Okay, so 1 by 2 multiply 120 meter multiply 80 meter. 60 meter. 62 या 120 48 meter square. So area of the trapezium ABCD equal to 4800 meter square. Okay, so total cost of plouging, the cost of plouging equal to rupees 5. So total cost of plouging of the field, total cost of plouging the field equal to 4800 multiply rupees 5. 24,000. Okay, 24,000. Total cost of plouging the field equal to 24,000. Okay.